Bahkan di Jakarta, dia bertemu dengan wanita yang ramah dan penuh senyum, terbuka untuk setiap pertanyaan yang dia tuturkan. Di sini di Jakarta, selain membuat dia merasa nyaman, dia juga kagum dengan adab dan cara orang Indonesia menerimanya dengan tangan terbuka.
I don't think we need to because the barriers are open. Oh shit! Jesus Christ! Is that bacalele?
Yeah,
Oh really?
This catfish sure has a lot of bones, eh?
I don't know if this place will fit me.
Holy moly.
Oh, what about the sauce? Do we?
Satu lagi turis yang terkejut dan tidak menyangka dengan keadaan Jakarta. Dia berasal dari Amerika, tapi dengan jujur dia katakan bahwa di Amerika tidak sebesar ini. Apalagi jika membahas tentang transportasi. Publik di Jakarta memang sangat canggih dan buat turis ini kagum.
The bones, eh?
I don't know if this place will fit me.
Holy moly.
Oh, what about the sauce? Do we put a bit of sauce on it? Yeah. There you go, folks. There's Aga. Take care, Aga. See you. All the best. I, for the first time, have just stepped foot into a country that I've never once been to before. And this country is the biggest in Southeast Asia, with a population size of 278 million people, making it the fourth biggest country in the world after China, India, and the US. And this country is also home to the most number of islands in the entire world, spanning over 17,000 islands. This country is Indonesia, and what better way to experience the culture and the people than by starting things off in the capital city of Jakarta. I'm now going to step foot down to the MRT station because I need to get myself a ticket to hop on a train or on a bus to get to sort of the Tamarin area, which is what we're going to be exploring in today's video, and a number of other places that I've got in mind. All right, let's take a look. Nice big... Oh, we've got a little push bike here selling ice cream. Oh no, coffee. Hello.
Yes.
What is this?
Coffee and non-coffee.
Ah, is this like tofu or is it milk?
Milk tea.
Ah, milk tea.
Yes.
Oh, okay. You only accept cash, right? That's the other thing that I must do here as well. I need to withdraw some money because I've arrived to Indonesia with zero local currency. I believe their local currency is called IDR, Indonesian Rupiah or something like that. We now need to get ourselves a ticket, and I see a ticketing booth over in this direction. But take a look at this station here. Pretty modern, pretty fancy, very clean looking. The floors are super shiny, but there is nobody working at a ticket office. Now, I wonder why that is. Hello, sir. How do I get a ticket?
You can focus from this
Can I get like an all-day pass or
if you want something like okay,
like train and
that can
bus?
be used in all.
Oh, he's turned the lights on. Hey, is it possible to pay by card? I think they actually encourage it to pay by card.
Unfortunately, the online payment is open for cash only.
Is it possible to use this machine or no? Okay, so we're going to purchase a one-way ticket from this kiosk here, and we're going to go to this station. Yes, how do I say the name to that? Bundaran Hi Bank Jakarta. Right, one orang. I think one orang means...
Bahkan dia menyaksikan stasiun yang bersih, wangi, dan orang Indonesia yang ramah. Termasuk petugas MRT yang mau membantu dengan lemah lembut. Itulah yang dirasakan di Jakarta. Sebuah sikap tak biasa dan kesederhanaan yang tak pernah didapatinya selama di Amerika. Seakan perilaku baik yang diterima oleh turis asing dari warga Jakarta. Inilah wajah asli bangsa kita yang mewakili Indonesia.
Sort of strong stench. The aircon is very powerful here, so it's very cool. And you need strong aircon when you're in a city like Jakarta, which is home to like 30 million people. Very fancy, very modern. We've got big billboard LED screens on the pillars here. We've got more TV screens here showcasing other countries other than Indonesia, like in Europe. From the UK. Yeah. You? You're from Jakarta?
Jakarta.
Yeah, nice. You going to work?
My office is Sudirman Center. Sudirman. Sahid Sudirman.
Sahid Sudirman, but here it says Bundaran.
Bundaran KAI. No.
Ah,
Sudirman. This,
it keeps going?
yeah, out.
Or you will change? You will change?
Yeah.
Ah, I see.
Holiday.
Holiday? Yeah, kind of. Just, experiencing Indonesia for the first time. Yeah. I don't have any Indonesian friends here in Jakarta.
Bahkan di Jakarta, dia bertemu dengan wanita yang ramah dan penuh senyum, terbuka untuk setiap pertanyaan yang dia tuturkan. Di sini di Jakarta, selain membuat dia merasa nyaman, dia juga kagum dengan adab dan cara orang. Indonesia menerimanya dengan tangan terbuka. Dia juga takjub dengan cara orang Indonesia bersosialisasi, walau sebelumnya tidak pernah mengenal.
Alrighty, the train has arrived. Look at this. I want to capture my first impression of getting on the metro. Oh wow. Very fancy. Oh. We've got these very shiny light blue seats here. Oh. Wow, take a look at this. Very, very big metro trains. Wow, the carriage sizes are huge. Ding ding. I'm like 6'3", but my legs don't even stretch more than halfway. It's like, well, maybe on camera it looks like halfway, but the metro feels more like a Japanese train. That's how good it is. And Japanese trains are train. I just noticed. Wow. I thought it was just a coincidence that that guy is there, but maybe they're there to stop people from crossing carriages, which might be risky or dangerous. Oh, he's doing it himself now, look. Or maybe it's just there for safety. They've got a police officer on every carriage of every train just to ensure safety is maintained. Okay, I think this is our stop. Here we go. Time to get off the train. Wow.
Bahkan hal ini pun belum pernah dia lihat sebelumnya, di mana setiap gerbong ada penjaga keamanan yang membuat kondisi di dalam. ART semakin aman. Turis ini juga heran, rupanya di dalam kereta api ini sangat luas. Bahkan untuk ukuran tinggi seorang turis barat, diakui dalam ART Jakarta sangat nyaman dan lega. Dia heran dan mempertanyakan, apakah selama ini kereta api di negara dia yang sempit atau di Jakarta yang lebar.
What an experience. Super nice, modern and beautiful train on the MRT. That I'm impressed by. And this is the number of metro lines that they have here at Jakarta. It looks like they've got quite a few. If I had to estimate, maybe we're looking at over 10 different metro lines. We don't have an escalator here. I've got to walk up a few steps. That's okay. Do a bit of exercise. There is an elevator just over there that you can get up. So if you were lazy to walk or you had some sort of condition inhibiting you from going up the stairs, this station here is a lot bigger than the previous station I was at. I gotta remember my ticket. Maybe we can get a day pass from here. So we've got to scan now the second QR code. But I don't think we need to because the barriers are open. Oh, shit. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Alright. So you do gotta scan out. Yeah, sorry, I didn't realize. It's doing it again. The barriers don't like me. Holy shit, that gave me a heart attack.
Inilah cerita dari turis asing yang benar-benar mengagumi infrastruktur, terutama transportasi Jakarta, di mana banyak sekali hal baik dan kesan positif dia selama mencoba naik transportasi Jakarta. Hatta sepertinya Tarik harus mencoba mode transportasi lainnya, termasuk kereta cepat yang justru membuat dia akan lebih terkejut lagi. Dan pasti pengalaman tersebut sangat mengagumkan dan tidak akan pernah dapat dia lupakan.